friends, welcome back. I'm Nye, and this is Mango, my trusty little sidekick with Ellie and Mac. And today, we're going to talk about seam guides. Are you going to leave me? You're leaving me now? Right, of course. Hi, I'm back. So I want to talk to you about seam guides. And sadly enough, I thought that my little sidekick Mango was going to hang out with me tonight, but I was wrong. He doesn't want to be my friend right now. And that makes me want to cry. Why did my cat forsake? I don't really care. Cats are super finicky anyway. Whatever. Somebody had told me last week that they wanted to see a live cat in my video this week, and there you go. I got to try a few seam guides, and not a bad week, I'll tell you that. The first one I want to talk about is the 6-in-1 Stick and Stitch. This is pretty cool. It comes with 3 pieces. It's by Yaquin, and it retails for $7.99 on Amazon. You get this little ruler, and I'm not going to call it nifty this week, even though I know in my videos I probably say nifty like 1,000 times. I need a nifty jar. I need a nifty jar so I can put it in my little naughty spot back there for me. So a neat little seam guide ruler thingy. There are no instructions on how to use this, but I mean, seriously, it has measurements and lines on it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I like these. They have a little adhesive on the back. I'm trying to peel it for you so you can see. But of course, I will show you in a video, of course, how I use them several different ways. You peel this little film off the back, and you have a gelatinous adhesive. This adhesive will stick to your machine in several different positions, which will help you sew straight. Sometimes I feel like a girl needs a V8 before I start sewing, okay, because it's crooked everywhere. They lock together like this, so you can put them onto your machine, on your machine plate flat, and they lay flush because the adhesive is very, very sticky, and the fabric will go up against that. You can even put them like this. You can actually use this curve, which will help you sew an inner curve, say on a neckline where you need to have stay stitching, and that can be a pain in the butt if you're using, a really thin fabric or what have you. That will help you with your inner curve, and then you can actually put it the opposite way, and that will help you with an outer curve. So if you want to put a single stitch across the edge of a hem, this will help you do that on a circle. So they're super helpful. You actually get a really cute, it's so cute. No, you get a really cute 6-in-1 stitch guide. So you get to have like all these ways that you can set up your little stitch guides and sew whatever you need to sew using this guide. I really like that. This was super helpful when I was trying to practice with them. Now, the downside of these is that the adhesive is super sticky. Trying to get this off of my machine was a pain in my butt. And if y'all have seen photos of my leggings, that's a lot of butt. Okay, I got a lot back there, and these were a pain in all of it. Okay, taking these off, and it says, that they're repositional, but I wouldn't say they're super easy to reposition either, especially when they're pulling up on the plastic cover of my bobbin, which does not make me happy because everybody knows my Janome is my sweetheart. It's really sad sticking these to my sweetheart and then trying to pull it off and hurting it. So that's a downside to these. So if I had to give these a score out of 5, what would you give it? What's that? A 3.5? Okay, I'm gonna go with a 3.5. So I'm gonna give these a 3.5 out of 5. They're pretty decent. They're very sturdily made. I like the fact that they're repositional, but they are not very easy to reposition, and they pull at my machine. So even though these are super easy to use and they come with instructions in a cute little box, and they retail for only $7.99 on Amazon. I don't like the potential that these have to break my bobbin cover. Not going to put them in the naughty spot because they're not particularly awful, but I'll just put them to the side. These are the Tsunadas magnetic stitch guides. These retail for $7.89 on Amazon. It comes as a set of 3. These are very, very highly magnetic seam guides. And they have these little curves. So if you need to sew around a curve, you can do that. You just line these up a certain way and you can sew around a curve. Now the one thing about these that I'm not a big fan of is although these won't tear up my machine, they don't really come with a whole lot of directions. Do you see how tiny this is? I wear glasses. This is not my friend. Okay? I was literally doing this number. How do I, oh gosh. But
I mean, whatever. You roll with the punches, right? You just go with it.
I really love how magnetic these are. I love that they're not going to tear up my machine because they're magnetic. I don't like the fact that they don't have really like any instructions on how to actually use them to get the best bang for your buck. Did this, oh my goodness, you all just witnessed something. It broke. See, now I wasn't going to put anybody in the naughty spot, but this thing just broke while I was holding it. Can you see this? I am mad. I am mad. And my dad would say, "You're not mad. People get angry. Animals get mad." Well, I'm angry. I'm very angry right now because I was reviewing them and they broke. Why couldn't they break while I was like sewing with them? Okay, so in any case, the adhesive that goes on the inside of this, not so great. You just lost a point there, buddy. Cool thing is it's magnetic, so it goes right back in. Yay! Okay, so you get 3 of these, and watch out because one of them might have a magnet fall out. It's for $7.89. I was gonna give these a 4 out of 5. I liked these, but since one of them fell apart and I have not had them very long, I'm a little disappointed. I'm a lot disappointed. I also don't like that it doesn't come with instructions. I feel like instructions are very important because it helps you get the best bang for your buck. It helps you learn all the ways that these could help you in your sewing, but it doesn't come with that. It also doesn't come with any measurement guides. Measurement guides are helpful. They don't come with them. So these, I'm so sorry, friends. These are going to get a 2 out of 5. And the reason why they're getting a 2 out of 5 and they're making their way to that naughty spot is because I paid $7.99 for these. And they broke. This next seam guide, though, let's have a chat. This is the TF Boy Adjustable Seam Guide. This seam guide is so fabulous. It's $7.99 on Amazon, and I get her penny back because you know I'm a thrifty girl. Yes, you do, because we're friends. It's a snap-on for a low shank sewing machine. It will work with a Brother, a Singer, a Janome, a New Home, or a Juki, or a Baby Lock. So it works with several different types of machines, just as long as it's a low shank machine. You clip it on here, just like you would any other presser foot, and it has little measurements. The opening is wide enough that you can do a zigzag stitch with it. I really, really like this one. It's super helpful with the measurements that's on it. It's very easy to use, super intuitive if you've already taken off your presser foot, which you likely have. The only downside to this foot is that sometimes if you're sewing with thin fabrics, the fabric might sneak underneath this little plastic guide. So, but if you're just careful about that, then you're fine, and this works great. I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 5. Yes! I do have a bonus for you, just for you. I have the Sewline fabric glue pen. I don't even know how I stumbled upon this thing. It retails for $13.95 on Amazon. It comes full of glue and also has 3 additional glue cartridges. I mean, really, you give me one thing for free and I'm like, hey, you give me more things extra with my items that I purchased, and I'm over the moon for it. Sometimes when I'm sewing with the slippery fabrics, I don't know if you do this, but I lose my mind. I get so frustrated sometimes because it just doesn't want to listen. Sometimes you don't have enough space to put a clip or a pin and you need something to help you out. I'm telling you, this right here is the Fabric Discipline Maker. It sticks really well and it's water soluble. This is going to keep your fabric in place, and then when you wash it, it's going to come right out. And I know you're looking at it and you're saying, Nye, that glue is blue. Well, guess what? It's not blue, it dries clear. I hope that you check out the links below if you're in the market for any of these items. Continue to come and watch my reviews because I have so much stuff to show you. I hope that you have a wonderful week sewing all the things.
I hope that you remember to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, and leave a comment
so that we can put you in the running for a $50 gift card for Ellie and Mac. And if you're like me and you're super thrifty, you want that gift card. So go ahead, do it. And I'll see you next week.
Sew all the things!
Bye!